So I'm going to show you in this short video how to add a CAPTCHA on your Wix website. So if you find this short video helpful, make sure you subscribe and like this video. So what you need to do, what I like to do here on Wix, I find this very helpful to use search. I just write here CAPTCHA, and then here I'm going to click on this one, stop spam from coming to your site, backend code required. I'm going to click on here, get started. You're going to have to turn on dev mode. And now here, just click on here to minimize, and then here we're gonna go here to add elements, and here we have input. So just click on input, and then here we're gonna see CAPTCHA. So now just drag and drop. Now what options you have here? Basically just animation, and that's pretty much it. So I'll just position this here, okay, and I'll position this here or here, wherever you want. And now let's click on publish.